What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be replacing this old cam cover with this new one that I got from Monster. Just check it out. This is their clear cam cover that they have, and I got it in the anodized blue. And just look how clean this thing looks. So far I really like it, and I feel like they did a good job trying to match the quad, because I mean, just check it out. This is the quad, this is the cam cover in the sunlight, and it looks like it goes with it really good. And I feel like it even matches the case saver. Alright guys, stay tuned now and I'll show you guys how to install this. Alright guys, so the removal of this is pretty simple. You just have these two bolts holding it, and you're going to use a size 8mm to undo them. Now I broke them loose, so they come out pretty easy right at the moment. But remember, take your time. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, so now that the two bolts are done, all you have to do is just grab it and just wiggle it out like this. And there's your cam, this is your cam cover. Alright guys, so here's the old cam cover and here's the new one. Now just a heads up, Monster does not send you the O-ring, so you will have to remove it off your old one and attach it to your new one. Just be really careful, because you don't want to damage these, because I'm pretty sure you will start leaking oil. All I used was just a little pick I had, and it comes out rather easy, but just be extremely careful with these guys. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this installation. You guys saw it's pretty easy, just two bolts holding it and a gasket. Now something I'd like to discuss about this, guys, is there is something useful out of this, that I find. Well, for one, I can see if oil's actually coming up to the top of the cylinder head, which let's see if you guys can see it. It is. And then number two, you can see your chain, because I'm hoping nothing bad ever happens to me on the trail, but if something does, like one day the engine stalls for some reason, it doesn't want to crank, I can rule out that there is oil, and I can rule out that there's actually a chain still there, because I've heard of chain snapping or a chain that'll come off its cam, and a lot of other stuff can happen, but this will help you rule out at least some things. Well, that's going to be it for this video, guys, and thanks for watching.